What's up guys? So it is official, OnePlus is launching the OnePlus 9 series on 23rd March, and it is an exciting one. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's get start the video. So, here's your official look to the same, and it looks really good. So, you all know the main thing, OnePlus Select from last few years was the camera. They have said this many times, next year it's gonna be different, next year we'll focus on image processing, and all, but the results were nearly same. But now, with the OnePlus 9 series, OnePlus is using IMX789 Custom Sony sensor. So, they are mentioned 9 series, not only the 9 Pro, and this means all the OnePlus 9 variants including 9, 9R, 9 Pro will feature Sony IMX789 Custom sensor. Anyway, something we have never seen before, something we never heard before, something they say most advanced still the date. So, I do know a great sensor is nothing without a great image processing, and there comes Hasselblad for the rescue. OnePlus have signed a 3 years partnership with Hasselblad, the gigantic camera brand, and this time, with the OnePlus 9 series, they are starting with software improvements, including color tuning and sensor calibration. So, high-performance hardware, and Hasselblad expertise in color, and unique sense of aesthetics, is gonna make the OnePlus 9 a killer smartphone, in terms of camera department. So, now in terms of software, OnePlus will be adding 12-bit RAW support, giving you more room for additional post-editing than ever, and adding some improvements in HDR video recording, and finally support of capturing 4K video at 120 fps, and 8K at 30 fps. So again, the best part is, it's not limited to Pro variant, only all the OnePlus 9 variants will get same features, so all again says, they did it. By the way, some near final specifications of the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro are Snapdragon 888 CPU, IMX789 primary main camera, telephoto lens on high-end flagship, 30 watts or 45 watts wireless charging on both, 65 watts fast charging, and some exciting color options like mirror mist, sandstone like black finish forest green, and more. Now speaking, the OnePlus 9R is coming in China and India, with some great specifications, and that includes Snapdragon 870 CPU, something we saw in the Redmi K40, a plastic back, and 90Hz display with an aggressive price, and more. So, the official launch is set for 23rd March at 7:30 p.m. Anyway, that's all the latest leaks and rumors. A lot of crazy things are happening, and OnePlus is doing most of that. And let me know what you think about this upcoming OnePlus 9 series. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel, will be make my day. And my name is Arjun, this is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say, 'cause I fuck it up.